And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Defending Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Champs winners or Boys Champs winners, Calabar are set to face a much stronger test than they did last year, with rivals Kingston College looking a much more rounded unit in 2019. The boys from 61 Red Hills Road take the spotlight in our Champs preview this evening.
By the time the 4x400 meters closed the show at Champs 2018, Calabar had almost a 100-point gap between themselves and nearest rivals Kingston College. But with KC having impressive showings at the development meets so far this season, all indications are that this year's championships could be different. But the boys from Red Hills Road aren't feeling the pressure. Well, not according to World Under-18 Sprint Hurdles champion and Champs Sprint Hurdles record holder Dejo Russell.
First of all, we're Lions, and we don't just roll over when we see other competitors who fight for what we want. So that's why I would say we will regain our title, because it won't be any walkover. You coming hard and we coming hard.
It's a confidence that seems to run throughout the entire Calabar unit, as their top 800-meter man in Class 1, Kimar Farquharson, echoed similar sentiments regarding his own event.
Going to Champ this year, I feel proud of myself because I am the man in 800 meter. I don't see anyone who can beat me this year.
But that was before this past weekend, when Tyrese Taylor ran a blistering 1 minute 48.85 seconds at the Digicel Grand Prix final at GC Foster College, which now relegates Farquharson to third best among half-milers in Class 1 this year, as Spot Valley's Tyrese Reed has now run 1 minute 49.30, both faster than Farquharson's 1 minute 49.79 from a week earlier. In the meantime, reigning Class 1 Sprint Hurdles champion and record holder Dejo Russell has run sparingly this season with a 10.70 second 100-meter performance to his name from the McKinley Wind Classic in January. But he says his biggest challenge heading into Champs will be mental.
Mentally, conditioning myself mentally going into Champs. I would say it comes from support from your family, support from the management team, support from the track boys. It's more family for me, because my family is a strong support system for me, and I just take it step by step. It's no rush for me. Once I reach the championship, I know I'll execute as well.
Live and exclusive coverage of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com, with live and extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.